Hello everyone and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. Today we're going to unbox the drive shaft for the NV125 transfer case. The drive shaft comes about an inch longer. It comes with a cap, centering flange and U-joint. It's a new unit. We don't need the core back, and it comes complete ready to install. So this is the output shaft, or the driven gear. This is the part that is sticking out of your transfer case and it goes to the front differential. And this is the part where it connects into. So what happens is that this part here strips, and the spline on the shaft strips as well, and then there's no more contact. When you get an inch longer, you get contact instead of just in the first half inch or so, you get contact all the way in for an inch more, giving you more contact space. We carry both this shaft for the NV125 and the LWX500, and we have the drive shaft as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for looking and have a great day.